Welcome to a recapitulation part of our tutorial. First we will continue with some coding from previous lecture, Transform 2D. So please check this last part here. If turn equal false and other condition to set movement properly. You can change some things here in transform on vertical position. Also you can comment label for a text and you will get movement something like this from one to other side. Our object will move. Of course you can add many other things to this. You can also limit this movement in horizontal space with one other condition, and this condition can be put somewhere here. So only if x is less than 120 you will have increase in movement, and the rotation will go on. If you want rotation to be also included in this, you will need to put all of this one indent to the left. So you will have rotation together with this condition, and also you can change some other things in code. So when the movement comes to some position you will have stopping. You can change this parameter. Also you can use export variable for initial parameter here, so you can write it export variable to change initial setting. And also because you have a constant movement of a constant working of timer, you need to do something for timer. For example, you can put some else here and say that timer stop in this position, and we can test it. So we have movement, stopping, and also we will need to have a timer stopping here. If you are not sure about code working, put some label or print text, whatever you want, to check if this is okay. If this is okay. Let's see. Okay, so timer is stopped in this position. We don't want any part of code to work without any necessity, without any usefulness. Okay, so this is conclusion of previous example, and for recapitulation I will give you some informations, very short. So we are looking on a class node 2D. We explain position rotation, rotation degrees, scale and transform. Zeta index is also interest. You can set it with set z index. This is only integer value for z index, and it's useful when you have layers on a screen. So every layer is defined with this zeta index or z index. This z index is 0. If we include one other icon here, but I will put it somewhere here, and I will change some things. For example, modulate can be different to see difference. And if this, I will change something in a scale here also, and not this, but this, and put it somewhere here. And I will change this z index to minus. As you see, now why is this happening? This is great, but I think we are making change with transform is with a node 2D. I don't know how to show this to you, but I will try. So let me see what I can do. Self set transform, no. We will say icon set transform. Maybe this can help. Good, this can help. Okay, now we only need to see we have rotation on 45 degrees in the beginning here. This can be set like this, so let's try again. Yes, I want to show you something like this. So we have movement, but on different layer. Also I can put it somewhere here because of rotation. This layer is -1, so z index is -1. This is 0, so 0 is above. I can say it like this, and you can see that this layer is above. Now we can change the value of movement to a little bit more to the right side, and as you see we have some kind of movement here. Okay, thank you for watching. This video is conclusion of our beginners tutorial. Maybe some things can be difficult for beginner, but you can watch any part of video lesson any times you want, and you can understand it. Also, you have this repetition videos like this one, and for some students who are working with Godot for a time, this can be some course for remind you of some knowledge or to learn few tricks more. Also, I suggest you to download free book Mastering Godot. You will have a link in description, and this is free version. We don't have paid version, and you can learn all things about Node2D. All properties and methods are explained with examples. Examples are commented for beginner, and this book can be read from beginning till the end for beginner. And you who are good with GDScript, use it for some referencing about 2D Node. Thank you for watching, and we will see something in a future. Whatever it will be. So goodbye and have a good day. Bye bye.